A principle relied on by the International Court of Justice in the Batu Puteh case may hamper Sarawak in its claim to oil and gas resources in the South China Sea. Former Law Minister Zaid Ibrahim said the effectivities principle may defeat Sarawak's claim to rights over the continental shelf off its coast.
Under this principle, the court may look at whether Sarawak exercised actual authority over the area in question. This involves inquiring whether Sarawak has displayed state functions over the continental shelf rather than simply making a legal claim to it.
Zaid said the ICJ had in the Batu Puteh case acknowledged that the island historically belonged to the Johor Sultanate.
Singapore built a lighthouse on Batu Puteh in 1851 and had conducted continuous naval operations in the area for many years. Malaysia's failure to protest and assert its own sovereignty over Batu Puteh was seen by the ICJ as an acknowledgement of Singapore's sovereignty.
Zaid also said Sarawak's failure to challenge the validity of the Continental Shelf Act 1966 and the Petroleum Development Act 1974 may work against it in court.
Sarawak did not dispute the legality of these laws for a long period of time. In fact, Rahman Yaakob, Sarawak then Chief Minister, was heavily involved in negotiations that led to the passing of the PDA, Petroleum Development Act. Sarawakian MPs in Parliament voted to pass the bill into law, and the state has received substantial sums in royalties for 50 years.
A battle is brewing between Petronas and Sarawak after the state laid claim to all oil and gas resources on the continental shelf, challenging Petronas's claim, which is premised on the Petroleum Development Act 1974. Sarawak Premier Abang Johari Openg recently said he is prepared to take the case to court if necessary. Danish Rajareza, FMT News.